Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. Today I will show you the easiest way you can make your moist cake with blender. You don't need to follow any steps, everything goes at the same time. Here I'm preheating my oven to 250 Celsius and I'll be using my blender to do the mixing, so I don't need to start putting them step by step. Everything goes in at the same time. Here is my egg. I'm using 3 medium egg. I'll be pouring in 1 cup of milk and 100 grams of butter and 1 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt with 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Here I'm adding my vanilla extract. This is my homemade vanilla extract. I will be posting the link on the description in case you haven't watched the video. And this is my pineapple extract. So I like making my own thing because at least I'm sure what is inside. You can see everything all inside at the same time. So I'll be blending it for a few minutes to mix up and well combine. As you can see, everything is well combined. Wow. If today is your first time joining me, you're highly welcome. I really appreciate you coming by. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, I do appreciate. Here you can see my batter is all combined, well mixed. So you can see this is so easy. You don't need to do so many steps. I'll be pouring it into my greased pan. Before you will know it, within 30 to 45 minutes, you are done. Your cake is done. If today is your first time coming by, please remember to subscribe to my channel. And remember to click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be able to see it. Here I'm placing the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. So, wow, you can see the outcome is fully baked. This take all the mixing, everything took like 45 minutes. You can see the cake is super. The aroma is so good. And you can see very moist. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share and comment. Thank you.